Good morning, everybody. This is Tony with Spotless Cleaning 7. He told me I never, this LinkedIn thing or YouTube thing or whatever they be into. I'm not a big fan of none of this stuff. I believe I'm here to work and work by the sweat of my brow. So I'm with Spotless Cleaning 7 LLC. We got a warehouse that I believe Ms. Jennifer posted on LinkedIn. So she asked me to shoot a video. She says, why don't you send some of the work that you do? Which it makes sense. She's advertising. So, all right, what I'm doing today is, of course, I got like a 250,000 square foot warehouse that we're doing. So some of the things, the door, the machine that we're going to be getting, it can't fit through. So, of course, this machine can't fit in here. So for me, I purchased this floor scrubber. They got it where you can rent a lot of them. I'm not wasting my money renting it. I'd rather own it. And then they got the kind that have the propane tank, which is fumable. So I don't want to breathe in all the fumes. So we had this for a while. So today, making a long story short, I can adjust the water on the side of it, how much I want it to come. We got the squeak. It's a great investment. And also, they maintain it for free if it's their fault. So I'm gonna reuse it today in this little small area. Of course, I got some scraping to do. A lot of times, the drywall, the guys, I tell them, keep doing your thing. I'll get that. Sometime in the contract, they're there to get it. But on this job, I believe in teamwork on all my jobs, not just this job. So I'm gonna finish sweeping it. Of course, they don't have power here, but they got a cord. So my biggest thing is to get it up. They already got their final paint. And then, of course, when we come in and clean, we wipe all this down. We get all this stuff off of the thing. But I'm not here for the cleaning right now. That has nothing to do with what I got going on. So I'm going to show you this machine. It's going to be in different phases at this warehouse. I'm going to do all the ones that I can't get this big machine inside of. Like, let's say here. See how huge this is? So, of course, you can't use that in this big old environment. You'd be a fool. Project manager, I've been with them like 7 years, man. I've been with this company 7 years. The project manager is great. Him and the superintendent, this construction company is really great, man. I got a relationship with him where this dude don't even bother me. He just give me the building and he just leave, man. And I love that. We got a relationship. I know what he's looking for, and man, he's man. It's a blessing to build a relationship with this company that I have gotten, that he trusts me to just leave me here, and the cleaners could go clean, and he could be he's at the airport somewhere doing another build. He got like 3-4 different projects, and he brings me everywhere he go, and he pays, man. There's no discrepancy about the money. He doesn't like using day laborers. I bring the cleaners there to the job site. He uses the cleaners. The biggest thing is that he said, man, I don't have to babysit you, Tony, and I could go focus on another job. So this is another area, but the machine, it's a real big machine. You'll see it later on. It can't fit through that. So, of course, I got to use that. So it's a really good investment. Take your time. It'll get all that up. These are the before pictures. They're going to be running on the ground, which is okay, We don't complain and murmur about every little thing. So we're going to get all of this stuff, man. There's 2 phases of this. I finished the first one, and it's immaculate. The owner actually requested us back of this building. So it's going to be another spot where I'm going to do. I'm going to get in here, and you're going to see the after pictures. You see they working, and it goes way down there. But as for right now, the cleaners are getting all these piles up. They're going to get in here before me and prep it up. To be continued. Peace. Over and out. Spotless Cleaning 7. Another one.